So I invite you just to find yourself for a moment. Come home to yourself, to your body built to serve, to your breath that's breathing you, your heart beating. And for a moment, just turn to the inner landscape and feel the sense of this thrumming energy that enlivens this body given you in this life. Maybe you can hear the slight tones in your ears. Maybe you hear your heartbeat and the inner drum of your knowing. Maybe you feel the heartbeat. Feel your feet on the floor and the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands. And widen that awareness to feel the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands at the same time. Just notice. And can you widen that awareness while you also bring breath to the magic? Let your breath enter in and go behind you to your low back ribs. Feeling that breath circling around. We're so aware of breathing in the belly, but can we breathe behind us? The diaphragm like a hoop, a circle of life-giving breath. And imagine now as you breathe in, filling a sense of gratitude, a shimmering light of appreciation for this body, breathing into every cell on all your in-breaths. And on your out-breath, see, can you let the light and the appreciation travel down through the soles of your feet and out through the palms of the hands, into the space around you and into the earth below. Breathing in gratitude, breathing out release. And maybe the light of gratitude comes in as a bright, strong light of the cosmos, of the energy around you. But as you breathe out, it actually cleanses, moving through and releasing a smoky breath, a darker breath, something you are ready to let go of, some field within you that once healing and is now finding a release. Breathing in gratitude, breathing out, and just letting go. And with special appreciation for the letting go, let your out-breath become longer than the in-breath. Maybe even twice as long. Long, slow out-breath, and honoring this nervous system, this amazing spark of life, this conduit of awareness. Breathing out longer, let your eyes just go to one side and hold them there. As you continue to breathe in gratitude, out release with your eyes to the side, notice in this internal space what you feel. The somatics of a body in quieting mode, in regulation mode. Breathing behind you, lengthening the out-breath, eyes to the side, all quiet reminders to the nervous system of safety, of peace. Let your eyes come gently back to the center. Release any awareness of the breath, but breathe in gratitude. And as you breathe out, bathe every cell in thank you, thank you. Body built to serve. Millions of tiny interactions every second, all conspiring for your well-being. Thank you. And let the corners of your mouth turn up, the sides of your eyes light up in gratitude that leads to a smile. Like you've received a special gift this day just from your knowing. And on your next out-breath or the one after, let that smile and your mouth and your eyes travel down to every part of your body, through your neck, into your heart and your lungs. Thank you. These astonishing internal organs, your kidneys, your liver, pancreas, your belly. Thank you, thank you. Breathing in gratitude, washing over your pituitary and your brain and forebrain and the hindbrain, all of this amazing, beautiful symphony. Thank you. And breathe out, out, out through the body, the pelvis, the legs, through the feet into this earth. And on this last breath, breathing down gratitude into the earth for her holding you, for being here this day. And to just finalize, let the breath come into the center of the chest and let your arms widen from the heart to the shoulder wide. Let your arms come out from the shoulder to the elbow, lengthen, elbows to wrists, wrist to fingers. Just reach a little beyond yourself, but know you can go no further than you go. Be kind. Inhale, let the heart come up, the hands come up. Lift the heart towards the hands, interlace the fingers, reach. And then slowly, like you were melting honey down the backs of your legs, down to the forehead. May your thoughts be well today, to your mouth. May your words hold your intention, and to your heart. May you be filled with the knowing that you are so loved. Thank you.